Hey everyone, I'm Bianca Jordan, immigration lawyer helping immigrants get green cards every day. Today's video is to provide you guys with an update on what is going on with all of this immigration reform, especially what's going on with the Biden bill. So last week, Democrats and Republicans actually started talking about immigration reform. Senate Republicans really want to see better handling of the situation at the southern border so that they can feel a little bit more secure about passing laws that would provide a pathway to U.S. citizenship for the millions of undocumented immigrants that are currently living in the United States. Specifically, Republicans have made it crystal clear that they will not support anything without additional border security. As a reminder, the U.S. Citizenship Act, aka President Biden's immigration bill, does provide measures to increase border security and to allow more technology to assist with all of that. The Democrats and Republicans do plan on meeting again in the weeks to come to discuss their proposals for immigration reform, as well as what they can do about the Biden bill, because as it's currently written, it's really unlikely to pass. As a reminder and a recap, the American Dream and Promise Act did pass the House a couple weeks ago, as did the Farm Workers Modernization Act. So, again, the American Dream and Promise Act would provide 10-year green cards to people that have DACA, as well as certain people that came to the United States before they turned 18. Similarly, people that have temporary protected status and delayed enforced departure would also be able to get 10-year green cards through this act if it does become law. The Farm Workers Modernization Act would provide a temporary legal status to certain farm workers, and those who want a more permanent solution to stay in the United States would be able to have a pathway to a green card if they paid a $1,500 penalty and met other requirements. I hope you found this video helpful. Please visit brazenlegal.com to learn more about me, my law firm, and how I can get you a green card. And if you'd like to book a consultation with my office, you can give us a call at 508-942-7497. If you're not already subscribing to my YouTube channel, please do so. And please be sure to follow me on Instagram at Brazen Lawyer so you don't miss all of my updates. Thanks for watching.